Medical school is a huge goal that can seem far away in the years leading up to it, but time has a funny way of going by quickly as deadlines approach. Sometimes people begin studying for the MCAT early because they know that the MCAT comes before medical school, but forget about all the other things they could be working on for their application. The truth is that the MCAT is an important exam, but it's only one part of a much larger application. Applying to medical school involves its own set of rules, deadlines, and jargon. In particular, there are a few terms involved in the application, like primary, secondary, or rolling admissions, that might seem strange at first. So we're going to spend some time clarifying the application timeline so that you have a good idea of what lies between you and the acceptance letter of your dreams. All in all, the application to medical school, AMCAS for allopathic schools and AACOMAS for osteopathic schools, can take over a year and a half to complete from start to finish. Medical school is totally worth the wait, but the long timeline is why traditional students begin the application process in their third year. That doesn't mean there's anything wrong with taking some time off, though. We'll discuss the idea of gap years a bit later, and since there's so much variety, we're going to move through the application timeline from the point of view of the application year. The application itself actually opens in May of the year prior to attending medical school. This means that we choose which year we want to matriculate and begin planning our application by going back a full year to May of the year before. For instance, if we want to be accepted to Mars Medical School in 2089, then we would begin our application in May of 2088. Whatever the year, this May date is when you want to complete the first part of your application, and it serves as an anchor for evaluating your progress.